Let's get started.
1970 Plymouth Fury 3. A true hidden gem from the golden era of American muscle, this 1970 Plymouth Fury 3 brings classic style, simplicity, and originality together in one impressive package. Located in Salem, Illinois, this vintage Plymouth is available for $6,000 and comes with 81,300 miles, an automatic transmission, gasoline engine, and a beautiful tan exterior. This Fury 3 has been kept safely in a barn and remains mostly all original, making it a great choice for collectors who appreciate untouched classics. Powered by a reliable 318 engine, it starts right up, runs, and drives well. Recent maintenance includes a new distributor, spark plug wires, spark plugs, coil, starter, fuel pump, fuel tank, and fuel sending unit. The car and frame are solid, showing the care it has received over the years. The brakes work, but the front driver's side needs attention, likely requiring a cylinder replacement. A great opportunity to own a classic Mopar with original character and plenty of potential for weekend cruising or collection. 1963 Buick LeSabre Limited Sedan 4D. Classic luxury with big block attitude is what makes this 1963 Buick LeSabre Limited Sedan 4D stand out from the crowd. Located in Middlebury, Indiana, this unique vintage Buick is offered at $5,000 and features a gray exterior, blue interior, automatic transmission, gasoline engine, clean title, and around 3,200 miles driven. Under the hood sits the legendary 401 nailhead big block engine paired with a Healey 650 carburetor, giving this classic plenty of personality. It comes with brand new 20-inch torque thrust wheels and tires, a freshly rebuilt carburetor, and a complete new wiring harness. The car runs and drives, but it still needs some mechanical attention to reach its full potential. There is a slow fluid leak and a coolant leak that need to be inspected, plus it is currently not getting enough vacuum for optimal performance. Included with the car are various old and new parts. A perfect project for someone who loves classic American cars and wants a rare cruiser with a strong foundation. 1988 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon 4D. Some cars are built for attention, and this 1988 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon 4D definitely has that unforgettable vintage charm. Located in West Liberty, Kentucky, this classic wagon is listed for $3,500 and comes with 88,000 miles, an automatic transmission, gasoline engine, clean title, and a stylish burgundy exterior with purple interior. This survivor has been well cared for and still delivers the classic driving experience enthusiasts love. Powered by a Pontiac V8 engine with a universal 4-speed automatic transmission, the car remains original under the hood with no unnecessary modifications. It runs, drives, and stops properly, making it ready for weekend trips or casual cruising. Features include working power windows, functional rear defrost, and a complete AC system that only needs refreshing. The body is solid with no rust issues. It needs a wiper motor tune-up and some exhaust work, but overall this wagon is a great classic vehicle for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone searching for something different from today's cars. 1982 Chevy Chevette 4-door. Small cars with big personality are becoming harder to find, and this 1982 Chevy Chevette 4-door is a perfect example of simple classic driving. Located in Rochester, Indiana, this well-kept survivor is available for $4,000 and comes with 86,000 original miles, a 1.6L gasoline engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. This Chevette starts, runs, drives, stops, and steers properly, making it ready for the road. The exterior remains impressively clean for its age, featuring the original chrome grille, factory bumpers, and excellent headlights and taillights. Inside, the interior is very clean with no cracks on the dashboard, a working factory stereo system, and a functional telescopic antenna. Recent upgrades include new brake lines and a new fuel tank. The car has only light rust on the lower door areas, which is reparable and does not affect its overall appeal. With a clean Indiana title and classic compact design, this Chevette is an excellent choice for collectors, vintage car lovers, or anyone looking for a fun and affordable classic ride. 1967 Pontiac LeMans Project Car. Every great classic build starts with a vision, and this 1967 Pontiac LeMans Project Car is ready for someone with a passion to bring it back to life. Located in Coloma, Wisconsin, this rolling shell is available for $2,500 and offers a great foundation for a custom restoration. This project car currently comes without an engine or transmission, giving the next owner the freedom to create a setup that matches their style. The body has been sanded and sprayed with available white paint to help protect it from further rust while waiting for the next stage of the build. Some rust areas are still visible, but the car includes a driver's side rear quarter panel and trunk floor to help with restoration. A clear title is included, making the ownership process simple. This Pontiac is perfect for classic car enthusiasts, builders, or anyone searching for a unique project. The seller is also open to trades for a 1970-1976 Firebird or Trans Am project car in similar condition. 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan 4D. Classic comfort, original character, and reliable old-school driving come together in this 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan 4D. Located in Marion, Ohio, this vintage Oldsmobile is offered at $6,000 and comes with 81,000 original miles, a clean title, automatic transmission, gasoline engine, and a stylish green exterior with matching green interior. This Cutlass remains a great example of a classic survivor with very little rust for its age. Powered by a 350 rocket engine paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission, it runs and drives smoothly like a well-maintained classic should. Everything works properly, making it a great choice for weekend cruising or adding to a collection. There are only a few small rust spots, including a hole in the driver front floor pan, passenger rear floor pan, and a small area in the trunk. The seller is also open to trading for other classic cars or trucks, especially a Camaro. A solid vintage Oldsmobile with plenty of charm and potential. 1964 Ford Falcon. Unique builds always attract attention, and this 1964 Ford Falcon is a classic with a modern twist. Located in Flowery Branch, Georgia, this custom Ford is listed for $6,500 and features a body swap onto a 2005 Lincoln LS V8 chassis. Combining vintage styling with modern performance potential, this Falcon offers something different from typical classic cars. The unique setup makes it an interesting choice for enthusiasts who enjoy custom projects and creative automotive builds. With its classic 1960s appearance and upgraded foundation, this car provides a great starting point for someone looking to finish or personalize a one-of-a-kind ride. Whether you are a Ford fan, custom car builder, or collector searching for something unusual, this Falcon has the personality to stand apart at local shows or weekend gatherings. A rare opportunity to own a classic body with a modern platform underneath. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GT Coupe 2D. A classic muscle-era project with serious potential, This 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GT Coupe 2D is waiting for the right enthusiast to complete its transformation. Located in Mexico, Missouri, this vintage Ford is available for $4,000 and comes with an automatic transmission, purple exterior, and black interior. Originally equipped with a 289 engine and automatic transmission, this Fairlane is ready for restoration and customization. The car needs floor repairs and rear frame work around the rear shackles, while the body has some Bondo work and paint cracking. However, it comes with great classic features, including an iconic 427 fiberglass hood, late 60s Mustang high back bucket seats, door panels, and rear seat. Additional parts include small block headers and other components. The seller may also include a 302 engine with 289 heads and AC4 transmission. With its vintage styling and old-school performance potential, this Fairlane is a great project for someone looking to build a unique classic muscle car. (1964) Rambler 660 Classic. Some classic cars have a charm that simply cannot be replaced, and this 1964 Rambler 660 Classic brings back the true feeling of vintage American motoring. Located in High Ridge, Missouri, this unique classic is available for $3,850 and comes with only 56,000 miles, automatic transmission, gasoline engine, pink exterior, white interior, clean title, and a history of only 2 owners. This Rambler remains very solid and completely original, making it a great opportunity for collectors who appreciate untouched classics. Powered by a reliable 6-cylinder engine, this 4-door sedan offers classic styling, simple mechanics, and plenty of restoration potential. The car is currently not running and will need brake work before returning to the road, but it provides an excellent foundation for someone looking for a unique vintage project. The seller is also open to trades for a Harley, side-by-side, truck, or jet boat. With its rare color combination and original condition, this Rambler 660 Classic is a great choice for anyone wanting a standout classic with personality and history. (1968) Austin Healey Sprite. Small, stylish, and full of personality, this 1968 Austin Healey Sprite is the kind of classic car that brings smiles wherever it goes. Located in Ortonville, Michigan, this charming British roadster is listed for $2,500 and comes with 54,722 miles, a manual transmission, orange exterior, and black interior. This little sports car is currently running, but it will need to be trailered. It comes with many new parts included in boxes, giving the next owner a great starting point for completing the restoration or maintenance work. Known for its compact design and fun driving experience, the Austin Healey Sprite is a favorite among classic car enthusiasts who enjoy lightweight vintage vehicles. The car has been well cared for and offers a great opportunity for someone looking for an affordable collector project. The seller is not accepting trades, and the price is firm at $2,500. A perfect choice for weekend cruising, car shows, or anyone who loves classic British automotive style. (1972) Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Classic American style meets muscle-era attitude in this 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Located in Detroit, Michigan, this vintage Chevy is offered at $6,500 and comes with 73,000 miles, automatic transmission, gasoline engine, and a charcoal exterior. This Monte Carlo has the classic presence that made these cars popular, with its long body design, comfortable cruiser feel, and strong street appeal. The vehicle needs some attention before getting back on the road, including brake work and a new hood, but it provides a solid opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a classic project. The seller is looking for serious buyers only and encourages interested collectors to make contact directly. Whether you are planning a restoration, a weekend cruiser build, or adding a unique Chevrolet to your collection, this Monte Carlo SS offers a great starting point. With its classic 1970s styling and recognizable SS heritage, this car has plenty of potential for the right owner.